Well, you can get paid $500 per day from brand new site that I'm about to show you in this video. This is the earn money online method that you will definitely like, and you will definitely will enjoy doing it, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month, every day, with just simply follow this simple step-by-step instructions in this video that I have to show in this video. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from MoneyHunt. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's jump back into action by which you can earn or you can get paid $500. It's the minimum. You can earn even more money by just doing this simple strategy. You can follow, you can just stay with me. I will show you some bonus tips and you can get it go with very good amount of money you can earn from this method. The site that I'm about to show in this video, this is a new site. It's called embersmmworldpanel.com. Yes, embersmmworldpanel.com. You may heard it or not. Definitely most of the case, if you not heard about this website before, you are surely will be amazed how cool this site is. If you just simply browse through this website, this is a social media marketing boosting sites. Yes, this is, you can use these sites to boost any social media accounts if you have one. So if you have just Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, any social media account you have, you can get likes, you can get views, you can just get followers easily. And this is very cheap service, cheap app, cheap tool that they will provide you, and it will be a very good options to anyone who want to who just starting small and want to grow big in this social media world. So all it takes is simple and very cheap process to go get on with this service. You can just simply live chat with them, and you can just be assured that it is a professional service, and I assure you this is very cool good site to work with. And you can just simply see that people's having results with these websites, and if you just simply follow their websites, you can just turn a simple YouTube account subscriber from 40k to 300k within months. And you just simply awesome. This service is simply awesome. So how can we earn money with this? We are just simply using this service, and we are like selling it on other platforms. We use this service and we build brand and we sell. But let me break it down into easy words. You just simply need to go to these websites. It's a simple service sites, and it's very cheap service. All it takes is just simply go over to their service sections. If you click on it services, it will show all the services like this, and I just filter it by, if you like, for example, if I like Instagram followers, I click on it like this. You can see that they have also YouTube services and other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, Pinterest, you name it. All the social media services are out there. People are selling them, and you can see, for example, Instagram followers. You can see that for like Instagram, for like if you just simply starting up, they have some bot followers, real followers, anything you like will work with this method. For example, if I just choose this Instagram following service, it asking for just $1.5. It's very cheap for 1,000 followers. Just for 1,000 followers, you have to pay just $1.5. It's a minimum. And you can see that they also have some offers like $4, $10, $12, and you will get much more higher quality followers and and you can just leverage that followers and make money. But if I show you that how you can make money with this, but simply see that how cheap it is. For $5 you can get thousands followers, for $4 you can get 1,000 followers to an Instagram account, which is really good. You can just multiply order and you can make more followers. You can see that even $1 offer is also available here. So all it takes is just simply choose your Instagram account. You can see that, for example, I choose Instagram account like this, and if you just follow this, this is like have 35 followers right now. And if I just simply copy the URL from here, and if I just go over to their order sections on these sites, Ember SMM World Panel, I just choose Instagram bot followers, and if I just paste that link here and I want just quantity, for example, like I want 1,000 followers for this, so it will ask me $1.5. So if I hit submit, and it will order this total, and I will show in a minute. So I am waiting for it to get some followers in this, but literally in the meantime we will go back to their service, we will go back to their sites, and I just simply assure that there is a more earning opportunity right now. If you just go to their sign up sections dashboard, click on affiliate sections, it will load the affiliate page with the affiliate referral link for your, and it will give you 25% commissions, and minimum payout is $10. So this is really awesome. People, if you just simply refer peoples and they invest $100, you can simply earn $25 without doing anything, just by referring peoples, and that's easy. This is a solid service, and if you just simply promote it, it will be make you more money in that process. So that method that this is a bonus, this is just another additional things that you can do to earn a good amount of money. But we are not making money by affiliate promotions, we are making money by our account. So we have ordered. Let's go back to the channel and refresh it, and it will load something. Wow, you can see that from 35 followers it's already making 404 followers. So this is really cool, and you can see that this service really works. You can buy any service from this method, and you can just make a good solid social profile. But how we can make money? We are making money in the second side that I want to show. We are making money with that Instagram account. But before I show you that, if you're liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel and with my videos every day. So the site that we're going to make money from this Instagram account is called socialtradia.com. Yes, this is socialtradia.com. This is a buy sell Instagram account site. This is an Instagram marketplace. You can sell Instagram accounts, you can buy Instagram accounts, or anything like that. You can simply just go over to this website. You can see that for like 10,000 followers account, this guy is asking $250. This is really awesome. $260 for some 12,000, 15,000, 10,000 followers. Even simply see that 2.3 thousand followers, this channel is asking $130. So this is really awesome. You just get 3,000, 2,000 followers with just simply spending like $5. If you just simply spend $5, you will get like 3,000 followers from Ember SMM World Panel. This service tool, using this service tool, you just simply invest $5 and you can make 100 $120 or $130 easy profit. This is a simple no-brainer method. You just simply go out there, you can just invest more money to get more professional followers. I do not recommend to buy the cheapest one. I if you just making $100 for an Instagram account, for one single Instagram account, if you make $100, why not just invest like 30%, 25% of it and get a professional service from these sites? And you can just simply see that you can just invest $15 to $14 and you will get real Instagram followers, and that is very, very safe. And when you buy that, the buyer will be very happy to buy your Instagram account, as you will have real followers, real people from that site, from that social media account. So this is really cool. Still you are profiting $75 with it. This is simple. You do not need to market anything. Just simply go here. For selling in this website may ask you some money like $20 to $30, but that is a minimum investment. You are making thousands of dollars of profit by simply just imagine how many Instagram accounts you can create, and you can build it by using this Ember SMM wall panel, and you sell it on this website. But if you can double or triple it by just simply using another websites like fameswap.com. fameswap.com is also a good social media account marketplace that you can sell Instagram, YouTube, TikTok profiles. So if I just go over to Instagram, you can see that people are selling their 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 7,000 follower accounts here, and you will get much more bigger price here, and you will make more profit. But definitely you can start with socialtradia.com. This is cool site. All it takes is just simply create an Instagram account according to any niche. You can see that they have lots of Instagram niche, Instagram categories: dance, music, fitness, food, humor, luxury, makeup, anything you like. You just build an Instagram account, then just buy that services from Ember SMM panel, and just simply build your Instagram account to 10,000 followers and 20,000 followers and sell it big on Social Tradia, and you will make decent amount of money just simply doing that. You can $500 per day is just an amount. Just for say, you can earn even more money, thousands of dollars you can just simply earn per day, definitely by using this simple method. All it takes is just from little investment from your side from the per day one, and you will make money. When you get profit, you will reinvest that money to get more money, and the money roll will be all it takes is just be active, and money will start following you. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this method. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.